guys, welcome back. So today's video guys, we're going to cruise. We're joining the cruise. That's why naka-stripe kami, naka-navy nautical yung team namin ni Busing ng OOTD. So hindi ko nagpakita kanina sa last na video kasi gusto ko gumawa ng bagong video ba. So we're on the way to the port. How many minutes? 5 minutes? 5 minutes na lang. So, alam nyo pa, umulan kanina. Tapos doon lang ang area. Tapos wala na. Drop off na kami guys sa sasakyan. Ayan, Ovation of the Sea. Ayan. So, magda-drop off muna kami ng luggage guys. Naka-line kami dito. Ayan. So, ayan, binili namin ito sa Amazon. Cruisers talaga. Hindi kasi namin ito first time. Another line. Another suite. So, dito kami guys kasi nasa suite kami. Okay. Right here. Priority boarding ba? Priority boarding kasi nasa suite. Ang haba ng linya. Grabe, ang haba ng linya. We're in. So, ayan yung ano. Hala, grabe. Salamat tayo ni Bossing kasi priority. Priority yun. I wanna be a pinnacle. And this is, we're here, yeah. To the ship. To the ship. So, ito na. Naka-linya lang itong video ko guys kung dire-diretso lang kami. So, Pier 2 boarding. Ito na kami. Almost there. Katapos lang namin sa immigration guys. So we're going sa boat talaga. So kinuha pala yung passport dito. Iiwan lang. Yeah. So we're here in the boat. Okay. Pasok guys, ganito. Ayan siya. Going in the dining. Ayan. Walang mahal. Ayan the other side. Tayo kasi siguro sa ano, yung chicken ng ano ba yun yung. So, the briefing is sa dining. Magbe-brief pa pala. Yung kaya bumaba kami. Sa American Icon Grill. Icon Grill. Pinapasok lang kami. Another restaurant. Ayan. Katapos lang namin sa drill. Nasa Silk kami. Asian restaurant. Ayan. Dito lang ako banda. So, ito yung boat. Ano. So, nasa likod kami ng ano. Ito yung dalawang restaurant pinakita ko. So, ayan siya. We're on the 12th floor. 12th floor. Ayan. Okay.
So, Polaris gets these shops. Sorrento's, Dixon's.
Sorrento is the favorite of Dada.
Diamond Club. Oh, it's a Diamond Club.
Oh!
Just cheap, like, you go bar hopping.
Oh. Okay. So, hindi ko kayo itutour ha. Kung ano lang makita sa video na to. Kung saan kami na area. Tapos sabihin ko, anong area ito. So, where are we? In the middle of the ship? Bolero. Meron din dito sa other ship. Ayan siya, ganyan. So, may mga shop dito nyo. Kate Spade, The Collection. Hindi ko alam kung ano collection. Pastry, Port Merchant, yung mga, ano, may music man dito, guys. Oh, yeah. Ayan siya. Christmas tree nila. Ayan. We're going to the elevator kami. Nasa 4th floor itong area na to. Yeah. It's not our first time to do a cruise, but this is the first time we try the Ovation of the Sea. Kasi lagi kaming Freedom of the Sea. Na-try na din namin yung Princess Cruise and the Carnival we tried, but Royal Caribbean I think is more nicer. Ito na yung ano namin. Our key. Here, it's not working. Here. Because I saw that one that said it, put it there. So guys, katapos ko lang mag-room tour and we're going out for lunch. So, again guys ha, hindi ako ito-tour. Hindi naman ako yung vlogger na nagtutour na very informative. Kung ano lang masagap ng camera ko, tapos sabihin ko, ito guys, yung ganito, ganito, ganyan. Para easy for me kasi bakasyon ako, di ba? Charot. Sobrang happy ko. I mean, kaya hindi ako nag-informative sa mga ano guys kasi pag si Busing naman hindi naman yan budget friendly pag nagbakasyon. So, hindi pa rin ako kakit over. So, last cruise namin is 2018. Tapos nag-COVID. Tapos na-stop na hanggang na-anuhan namin na, let's go. Let's do a cruise. It's time to do back to the cruise. Yeah, I know. Back to the cruise. Guys, if you do a cruise, tapos mag-ano kayo, ito yung sign. May mga print kasi yan sila dyan. Katulad ng frame. So, alam na namin na side namin, ito yung frame. Pag ito yung frame, alam na namin na dito yung room namin. So, parang, ano siya ba, like, idea lang. Tapos, on the other side, may different frame kasi yon. So, yung Windjammer, guys, nasa 14th floor. So, 12th floor, nag-stairs na lang kami kasi sobrang busy yung elevator. Ayan! So, floor lang. Apat na ganitong stairs lang naman. So, Windjammer. Okay. Okay. Dito pala. Kala na rin sa labas pala. Labas kami. Okay. Pasok. Kailangan maghugas ng kamay. Nandito na yung ito na yung one of main kitchen nila, yung pang buffet ba. So, lunch namin guys. Ayan, kay Busing. My view. I like the view. Ayan yung guys. Marina Bay. Second course ko guys. Mac and cheese and fries. Punta kaming 270 kasi dito nag-book si Busing for our New Year. Wow. So, ano dito? Where are we? Yeah. Merong ano dito guys, jewelry shop. Okay, we're gonna book our next cruise. Sige na Dada, let's book our next cruise. Let's look for a Caribbean. So we can eat here, but lunch. Ito yung disco nila guys, another bar dito. Nasa middle side kami. Ay, dito na pala kayo kanina. Siguro is a steakhouse. Okay. Oh my god.
Before you enter your table there.
Ito na yung parobot-robot nila guys. Ayan. Andito na yung luggage na. No, they don't. Only outside. We have Hi. It's a fruit! So guys, nakasettle na kami. Tapos na akong unpack. We're going out. And yeah, and also our Wi-Fi is... What's the English? It's connected. So, ano kami guys, kasi nasa suite, include na yung wifi, so 24 hours wifi. We're cruising, by the way, 8 days cruise to like tatlong Bali. We're moving! So we missed, that was that. Sail away. Anyway, we're going up. Magsisail away sana. Okay. Digling out. So, and then, ready na din yung pa-laundry namin. Kukunin na lang yan ni Kuya mamaya. What's his name? Darrell?
Daryl.
So you wanna put like catching trails or whatever?
Out catching throws.
It's magnetic.
Everybody knows we're out. We'll rob the room.
So this is the like adult pool, I think ito guys. Ano siya, indoor, no?
Yeah, in the pool. Is that adults?
Ay hindi ata ito. I think there's more other side. Yeah, it's not an adult pala guys. May other area pa. Pool bar. Nagsisail na kami guys, kaya nagsail away party kanina. Punta kaming solarium. So, this is the adult one. Adult. Puro adult, pero ba't ang ingay nila? So guys, nasa front ito. Gusto kong pumunta dyan. Maybe another day. Hindi ko ma-film yung adult pool guys. So puno ang mga nakahihiya tayo sa mga tao. Punuan kasi eh. So ganito yung pa-pool niya. Ayan. So ganito yung pool area guys ba? Oh, ayan. Cheers! Cheers! Uy! Kids pool guys. Mapasok kami. So nasa sweet lounge kami guys. And ayan. Ganito siya. Wow. Ito yung maganda pa pag nasa ano ka talaga yung lounge or sweet ano ka? Sweet lounge. Tingnan natin yung pagkain nila, snacks. Ito ang problema pag nagko-cruise kasi ang daming pagkain, kasali na lahat sa bayad ba. One pay na lang. One pay. So guys, nakabalik na kami sa room. What time now? Nag-turn down service na si Kuya. Naka-turn down na si Kuya kasi anong tawag doon? Pa-off na siya ba? Sabi ko wag na lang muna. Ayan. Ayan. Ino-open ko na lang siya. Charge ng equipment. Charot. So guys, bumalik kami ng Singapore kasi may aberya na lang. Aberya. Accidente or something. Health problem. Emergency na lang. Medical emergency na lang sabihin. So, nag-tender lang kami dito. Ayan. Ibaba lang yung pasyente. And, I think, we're in 2 hours already. You think? Yeah. So, and again, I'm uploading my video yung last natin sa Singapore. So, try kong upload kasi habang andito pa. Maganda din naman daw dito yung internet kasi Starlink. Wait. Tingnan natin kung ang daming taong nagkati. Ito yung cabin. Mga tao. Nakita niyo guys kasi hindi, nakita ko pag akong mag-ano. So, nag-waiting yung motor. Tender lang kami, hindi kami magdada. Dinner na kami guys. Kain kami, 7 o'clock yung dinner namin. Doon yung walang reservation, dito with reservation. Crab cake guys. Main course ko guys. Key lime pie kay Bossing. So the stores is open guys kasi ano. Oh my god, Ariana Grande. Oh my god. So they're allowed only magbaligya. May stores pag nasa kami laot. Nasa laot. Ayan, may music manoy sana hindi masyadong yung music. So ayan. Ayan sila. So gusto kong pumunta dito. Kate Spade. Dada! Yeah. So guys, meron silang Coach, meron silang Guess, meron silang Marc Jacobs, meron silang Moschino, meron silang Gucci, meron silang Louis Vuitton, na mga pre-lab. So, pero yung Coach guys is hindi. Yung iba yung mga Gucci lang. Ayan siya. At saka ang mura lang. $383, mga 1,400 dirham something. Yan o, yung nagustuhan ko yun. Kaming Royal Theater guys. Plus pa ang Royal Theater guys. So, Crown Lounge, we allowed also dito kasi nasa suite kami. Or, this is because of the suite or because of our...
This is because of our Crown membership.
Oh, membership. Sa membership.
The other was sweet.
So ito. Sa member kasi kami. Magpinikol na kasi itong si Bossing. So, another like, kung gusto mo mag-kapi-kapi, ay hindi ko alam kung anong meron dito kasi wala pang pagkain. So, gabi na kasi guys. Ayan. So, ganito siya. Ayan siya. Sa mga member pala ito. Sa member namin. It's okay. So, it's music hall, guys. It's okay lang, Bossing. Music hall. May mga karaoke, ganyan. Kakanta si Bossing. You wanna sing? You gonna audition?
I don't know if this is the one, but that's normally down here, isn't it? They do that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
They just have a singer up.
I don't know. Yeah, it is. There's a bingo. There's a bingo going on. That's giant bingo. Let's go to the other side now. Let's walk.
Is a tour of the engine control room. It's for 4 guests. You sort of have to be a little bit fit. You have to go up and down a ladder, ladies and gentlemen. Keep that in mind. You have to go up and down a ladder to get to the engine control room. This is an area of the ship. I've been working much happening around the ship as well. And of course, we'll be visiting beautiful Bali and Lombok as well. Absolutely fabulous destinations for you. But folks, I just did want to mention very quickly, before I bring on tonight's entertainment, if you had a show, wonderful selection of music for you. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, would you please welcome the first cab off the rank this evening. Let's hear it for Kyle Ward!
To end the night guys, so ito kami pizza. Ganito kami pag nagko-cruise, nagpi-pizza before matulog.